Hello and welcome to a new video from Digidesignresort. My name is Mona, and in this video I'm going to show you how to draw this sleep block together with a sloth. And here's what you need. So first of all, of course, your bullet journal, then the zebra mount liner, Faber-Castell pencil set or pencil setting in general, a Stabilo pen, a rubber, a micro and fine liner, and the friction highlighter. And once you have everything together, let's get started. So first of all, I use a pencil and draw the basics of my spread, so just to have it all sorted and have everything where it should be later. So just drawing some strokes here for this time I sleep on top, and on the left side I'm going to add the days of the months. So basically that's it. So now you see me writing down all the numbers. So from 3 to 3 p.m. to 3 a.m. would be a little bit late, so I will expand that to later. So I usually sleep until 5 a.m. but sure, on the weekend it's a little bit longer. So with these little strokes here, I put the basic time when I'm sleeping. So I usually go to bed at about 9:30 or 10 p.m. and then I sleep until 5, and that's the core time when I'm sleeping. So that's why I put that here. You can of course fit it to your needs. And then here I draw the days of the months, and then I write a heading which is on the side actually. So here it gets a sleep tracker and or sleep log in my case, and then I put on the right side a little sloth. I wanted a sloth because it totally means to me that you like and enjoy sleeping, so I put a sloth on the right side. In case you don't want to draw it, you can always go to our store and you can get a printable there, which you can print out and put into your bullet journal, whether you glue it or you use graphic paper to transfer it. But I also have a freebie for you which shows you step by step how to draw these sloths, so you can just draw it on your paper and then later put it into your bullet journal. So now I use my micro and fine liner. I draw over everything I just put in with pencil, so to make it look nicer of course, and to fix it. It doesn't matter, it's 100% the same. It just that it's all in order and that it is where it has to be, and not is totally over the place. So that's why I'm now going over everything I've drawn and written with my pencil. And then I get rid of all the lines with a rubber, and if I don't need it anymore, then we go on with the coloring. In the end, I'm using the micron fine liner also for the heading of my spread, and write it all the lines which go down as a little bit thicker, a little bit bolder, to make sure it looks like a little bit like calligraphy. So I like this look, and that's why I go over it once again and make it a little bit bolder. So now I'm coloring the little guy here with brown, and for the hand and feet I use some gray. And also be careful on the edges. The zebra malt liner has two ends, so one for bigger and quicker painting and one for smaller things. So just choose whatever is needed for that area. And once you're done with that, you can also shade it a little bit and go over it once again to make it a little bit darker if you prefer to do that. If not, or if you prefer another look, you might want to use a brush pen. That's totally up to you, of course. You don't have to use mild liner at all. So for the rest of my spread, I use the friction highlighter in pink, and I go over the heading once again and add a little bit of pink there, because what I'm now drawing is a time when I'm sleeping, and that's also pink, so I thought it fits nicely. And I go over it once again. So you see me adding the days when I slept, how long, and you know, it's not, you know, we just have the 5th of the month, so I can't add that much. And yeah, That's why it looks not ready yet, but you can imagine how it looks when it's ready, and I'm sure it will look pretty nice because a lot of pink with brown, and I like that combination. Yeah, that's it from me for today. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if so, please don't forget to give us a thumb up, click the little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video, and then maybe subscribe to our channel. And then I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, bye!